educating students for the 21st century or for a world that no longer exists? The class of 1994 was the best educated ever in the history of the United States, but they were also the worst off. Why? Because the world is changing at a rate of 4 to 5 times faster than the rate at which our schools are changing. The net result is an ever-widening gap between what our students have when they graduate and what they need to succeed in a competitive global economy. Furthermore, the American people do not realize how disconnected American education has become from the technological world our children now live in. At Byron Center High School, we have made and are continuing to make great strides in closing the gap. We are addressing the issues of an ever-changing world and the need to be technologically literate. 3 years ago, we were still teaching a 1960s curriculum with one outdated computer lab. Today, we are merging into an exemplary 21st century school. This change has occurred because of the commitment of Byron Center High School's faculty. They rewrote the curriculum, added technology courses, and incorporated technology across the curriculum. Let's take a look at just what our students are doing, producing, and learning in these new and exciting courses. I think you will agree, along with us, that we are preparing our students for the 21st century and beyond. Principles of Technology. Students take Principles of Technology in the 9th grade. This one-semester graduation requirement introduces students to the world of technology education and is the foundation of all tech ed classes at Byron Center High School. Students learn how to meet tolerances as well as measure precisely with calipers, scales, depth gauges, balances, and fluke multimeters. By requiring the students to apply the universal systems model for problem solving to a variety of challenges using several technologies, the class delivers the two most fundamental skills required by business and industry. Students learn to identify the problem, determine what they want to accomplish, plan and implement the necessary steps, and evaluate their product. Students then compare their results to the original goal, and if there is not a match, students adjust their process and try again. This continues until the student achieves the desired result. Modules in hydraulics, pneumatics, electronics, machines, hydroponics, robotics, CNC programming, aerodynamics, weather satellite information systems, and drafting provide the students with activities to which they can apply their new problem-solving skills. Principles of Technology teaches the key elements needed for the 21st century. Physical Technology. Physical Technology explores advanced applications of the modules learned in the previous semester in Principles of Technology. Students will learn how to apply technological systems to real-life problems. These systems may include areas such as recycling, power technology, dynamometer calculations, machine technology including the CNC machine, electricity and electronics, as well as rocketry and magnetic levitation. Physical Technology also incorporates a more advanced systems model for problem solving. Students will work cooperatively to gather information and resources to solve a problem. Upon completion of experimenting with various implementations, they will begin to search to acquire total quality management and integrate it with industry standards using state-of-the-art equipment. Business Applications and Technology. Business Applications and Technology teaches different computer applications. Students learn word processing, databases, spreadsheets, and telecommunications. Much of what is learned in BAT is integrated in other classes. The purpose of Business Applications and Technology is to prepare students to compete for occupations that require a high level of interpersonal communication skills, technical knowledge, and computer literacy. Students learn many important foundation skills that include work habits, problem-solving skills, and management and leadership skills. They also learn common business skills such as keyboarding, document processing, a variety of computer applications, and telephone skills. Business Applications and Technology prepares its students to compete for 21st century occupations. The Library Media Center. The Library Media Center is used for the latest research, facts, information about health, government, jobs, higher education, and more. It offers a variety of standard references on CD-ROM, such as multimedia encyclopedias, the World and U.S. atlases, the World Almanac, Monarch Notes, and great literature. Selecting a college or university is as simple as pressing a button using the College View database. Answers to thousands of general reference questions can be found using the ProQuest periodical database, which combines abstracts and indexing with complete scanned images of over 250 magazine titles. Using the SIRS Researcher CD-ROM is simple, fast, and rewarding. This database contains thousands of full-text articles related to social issues, science developments, and issues within the disciplines of Earth, life, physical, medical, and applied sciences, and global events and issues of historic, economic, or political note. The SIRS Government Reporter CD-ROM provides the key to essential information published by federal departments, agencies, and commissions, providing a wealth of primary source material. You've heard about the Information Highway for years. Now, teachers and students can take field trips on that highway every day with Scholastic Network, the full-service online network that connects the Library Media Center to a world of information and resources by way of a computer, modem, and telephone line. For information you need when you need it, plug into the world at the Library Media Center. Presentational Computer Applications. Presentational Computer Applications is a one-semester course. It focuses on the use of computers to present information through both printed and video media. Students experience the real-life situations of producing presentations using computer graphics, desktop publishing, and multimedia. Use of original thought and design ideas, as well as creativity, is required in the development of presentations. In the second semester, students progress onto the multimedia class. This class focuses on the development of in-depth and interactive multimedia presentations. The students explore incorporation of video and audio as an integral part of these presentations. Students will also learn the process of capturing video for projects. Finished products will be dumped to videotape for their personal records and to present to possible employers. Computer Graphics 1 and 2. Our plan to incorporate technology into the visual art curriculum relied on the students using computer programs to demonstrate their creativity, imagination, and design skills. This advanced course allows students to develop technical skills in commercial art, layout and design, computer art and illustration, and animation. People from film, graphics, design, education, and industry will all be committed to creating and applying programs using text, computer graphics, animation, and video. The need for these skills are in great demand. The information age will soon rely on visual communications and multimedia, not only for advertising opportunities, but also to instruct, train, entertain, and educate our future generations. Students will learn and use a variety of graphics software such as SuperPaint, PageMaker, Animation, Morph, Macromind Director, and Photoshop. Projects include the conceptualization and design of advertisements, books, magazines, packages, television graphics, posters, CD covers, shopping bags, cartoons, interior designs, and trademarks and logos for corporate identity. Printed and computer graphic media. This course will focus on advanced computer applications to create and design visual compositions for the school district and community. Students will apply technical skills learned in Graphics 1 and 2 while demonstrating the school-to-work competencies by using cooperative teaching and role-playing. Byron Center High School students will use creativity and imagination along with computer technology to design the future and meet the demands of the 21st century. Satellite technology. Byron Center High School currently has 7 satellite dishes. 2 are located in the technology department aimed at weather satellites used to download weather maps. There are 2 portable satellite dishes used for teaching and learning purposes, which can be brought out, set up, and functioning in a matter of minutes. Byron Center High School also has 1 fixed satellite dish for use with Channel 1. When it is not being used for Channel 1, it can pick up other programs. The last 2 and the largest dishes are movable and used to pick up TV and radio broadcasts anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere and to broadcast live news events, NASA missions, and teacher and community interest programming. These dishes are also used to give a wider variety of program choices to BCTV Channel 23. With this technology, students, teachers, and the community can benefit from the programming from around the world. The Integrated Learning System, or ILS, will make it possible for students' instructional programs to be individualized and self-paced. The ILS is a basic skills learning tool capable of determining the ability level of individual students and adjusting their lessons accordingly. It will also allow teachers to more effectively monitor the students' progress with detailed reports and diagnostics. When 5 computers are installed in every classroom, the results will be impressive. Students can be expected to increase 1.5 to 5 years in grade level performance after just 1 year of full implementation. The ILS system will be linked to every classroom and can even be accessed from home. Computer-aided design. Byron Center first entered into the area of CAD in the fall of 1989. In the time span of 2 years, a total of 6 computers were purchased, with 4 of them donated by the Byron Center Lions Club and Byron Center State Bank. This was the first time drafting had been taught in this way. CAD deals with all areas of drafting and design. Areas taught include orthographic projection, isometrics, sectioning, architectural design, and product facilities development. There's an emphasis placed on the students to work in teams, develop employability, interpersonal communication skills, problem solve, and use precision measuring. In the fall of 1994, AutoCAD was introduced to keep with the industry standard. This expanded the areas of 2-dimensional drawing as well as 3D wireframe, 3D solids, AutoVision, and parametric design. All of these areas are being taught with CAD as the principal learning device. The basis of a large majority of employment in areas related to CAD lies in the ability of the student to master the use of the computer as a tool. Authentic projects, visitations to industry, career planning, and job shadowing are all demonstrations of the quality program that is offered in the CAD department at Byron Center High School. Interactive television. The ITV room at Byron Center High School contains 3 cameras and 8 monitors, with the capability of communicating with 3 other classrooms at any one time. Classes we have offered from Byron Center to other area schools are Function Statistics and Trigonometry, AP Calculus, and AP Physics. The classes Byron Center has received are French, Debate, AP Chemistry, and Mathematics. Byron Center hopes to continue offering higher-level courses to other area high schools using the ITV as an instructional tool. In the ITV classroom, the students at the other schools are able to see and hear the instructor and the students easily and clearly. The students at the receiving site can see, by the use of a pad camera, what the instructor is writing. There are very few, if any, communication problems. Homework, quizzes, and tests are exchanged by the use of a fax machine or a courier service. With the addition of Audio-Video Productions 1 and 2, Broadcast Journalism, and Producer-Director to the curriculum, the exciting world of broadcasting is available in our high school today. Students in the Audio-Video Productions 1 learn the principles of sound reinforcement, video mixing, graphics generation, video camera operation, picture composition and sequencing, production management, along with set and lighting design, directing, and producing a script and floor plans. Some of the many projects students produce with these skills are morning announcements, sound reinforcement for dances, choir and band concerts, school assemblies, videotaping sports events and community meetings to be aired on BCTV, public service announcements, and commercials for school and community organizations, and short features. AV2 students do all AV1 students do through a more advanced, sophisticated level. They also produce full-length shows such as The Lighter Side and Pastor's Forum for public broadcast. Students in broadcast journalism and producer-director produce a video series entitled An Inside Look, which investigates topics of community interest such as local businesses, organizations, radio stations, and other area schools. The students conduct interviews, videotape, write scripts, and edit their video, adding voiceovers and special effects. Yes, no longer something to look forward to in the future, but now, today. From computer-aided design, to principles of technology, to physical technology, to computer applications, graphics, and printed media, to the Media Center, to AV 1 and 2, to broadcast journalism and producer-director, to the ITV, to satellite technology, and to the ILS system. Technology is alive, growing, and at the heart of education across the curriculum of Byron Center High School. The result? Our graduates will be complex thinkers, problem solvers, quality producers and performers, effective communicators, and cooperative workers. Now that you have had an opportunity to view this film, I am sure you will agree that Byron Center High School is preparing students for the 21st century and beyond.